Enhancing expressions. Mastering adverb-adjective collocations in academic English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into the world of adverb-adjective collocations. This is especially important in academic English, as it helps to precisely and powerfully express your thoughts. We're going to focus on how to use these collocations to modify adjectives. So, let's get started. Adverb-adjective collocations are a powerful language tool. They're made up of an adverb and an adjective that often go together, like highly effective or deeply satisfying. These collocations help to provide more context or add intensity to the adjective. In academic writing, using the right adverb-adjective collocation can add precision and sophistication to your work. Let's look at some examples of these collocations in action. Remember, these are commonly used combinations, but they're not the only ones. Highly unlikely, meaning very unlikely. Deeply concerned, meaning very concerned. Strongly recommend, meaning recommend very much. Fully aware, meaning completely aware. Each of these collocations amplifies the meaning of the adjective, giving your expression more power and clarity. You may wonder, how do we use these collocations to modify adjectives? Let's break it down. An adjective usually modifies a noun, but by adding an adverb, we can modify the adjective itself. This gives more depth to our descriptions. For example, instead of saying, "The results of the study were surprising," you might say, "The results of the study were highly surprising." This not only strengthens your expression but also gives a more academic tone to your language. Now it's time for you to try. Here are a few adjectives: important, successful, relevant, interesting. Try to find the adverbs that commonly collocate with these adjectives. Remember, practice is key to mastering this skill. And there we have it. Using adverb-adjective collocations to modify adjectives is a powerful tool in academic English. It might seem tricky at first, but with practice, you'll find your expressions becoming more precise, detailed, and, of course, academic. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to experiment with different collocations. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!